In today's discussion, we will delve into the relevance of C++ in 2024, a time when languages like Rust seem to be gaining significant traction. We will explore why C++ remains a valuable skill to acquire, especially for aspiring programmers and seasoned developers alike. First things first, let's talk about simplicity. Despite its reputation for complexity, C++ is actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. Its syntax is clear, concise, and easy to understand, making it a great language for beginners to dive into. Alright, I'm lying. I'm not talking about templates. But I'm assuming if you're a beginner, you won't use it anyway. Right now, Rust is the shiny new card in the block. There are multiple jobs available, and everyone has good things to say about it. But the only problem with anyone learning Rust as their first language is that they are happy that the language solves a problem without knowing what the problem is in the first place. And how will you know what is the problem if you haven't coded in C++ or any low-level language? Alright, enough about the problems. C++ gets a bad rep for not being memory safe, and that's partially correct. Whenever I used to interview new grads on memory management in C++, every one of them used to allocate on heap using the new operator. That's fine, but almost no one knew about smart pointers. To anyone who doesn't know about it, smart pointers handle memory management for you. As the creator of C++ said, within C++ there is a much smaller and cleaner language struggling to get out. Most of our popular tools like Google Chrome, Firefox, Unreal Engine, MySQL, Postgres, SQLite are built using C++. To be honest, most of the popular tools you might be using are just a Python or Node wrapper over C++ code. It's essential to clarify that advocating for C++ doesn't mean making it your primary language. However, understanding its fundamentals can significantly enhance your capabilities as a software engineer. If you are a beginner, please start with C++ because soon enough you will get introduced to JavaScript and then won't feel it worthwhile to put in the efforts to learn C. So here is what I would do if I was a beginner. Learn basics of C++, then if I'm interested in web dev, I would do JavaScript. If I'm interested in machine learning, I would do Python. And if I'm interested in low latency, I would do advanced C++ and Rust. So there you have it, folks. C++ may be decades old, but it's far from being obsolete. Its simplicity, performance, versatility, and thriving community makes it a language worth learning in 2024 and beyond. If you think this video was useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing out.